Okay, a couple of you have been asking how to get this plug off. This is the plug that connects to the sat-nav. Well, actually, this plug connects to the loom of the bike. This is on the sat-nav side. This is the connected ride holder. So as you can see in the video, this sits clamped to the bulkhead. We could call it a bulkhead. But so you can't see the release mechanism. Now, the release mechanism is an actual tiny little clip underneath this plug. So I'm going to turn the plug over. It sits on like that, so you see the top of this. So let me just massacre this one. It goes in that direction. You see the top of it. So if I turned it over, it's going to become self-explanatory. You turn the plug over, but you can't see this. There is the mechanism. You've got to push that way. So get your little spike mechanism, spike tool, like that. Slide it in there and slide up. So basically, you're doing that, releasing that little barb there, and it slides up. It didn't come out in the video because I skewered the spike into my finger, and yeah, not good. So once again, that's the way it connects. Turn it over, push that, and slide up. So basically, wedge that in there and slide up. Okay, hope that's useful. The other thing that I stumbled across in the middle of the night, which is quite interesting, is this connector here. So you can buy this from BMW, and what this allows you to do is to wire this end in to your DMD, your Garmin, or whatever you want to use, and then you've got this plug which will go straight on to the loom on the bike. So where this used to plug in, this, once connected to your DMD, Garmin, whatever, this will now replace this, and that will plug into the loom. There's no data in there, so you're not going to get any scrolling on the wheel. So you've just got positive and negative, but that is exactly the same plug. If you look at this plug, the white one, there's a third pin for data. You won't have that luxury with this. So you can get this from BMW. I'll get the part number for you and put it on the description. Hope that works.